Hello, cake lovers. Welcome back to Cakes Factory. Today we are sharing 12 beautiful and tasty chocolate fruit cake ideas. These cakes are perfect mix of rich chocolate, fresh and juicy fruits. Let's dive into these fruity chocolate delights. The first one is chocolate strawberry dream, a soft chocolate sponge topped with chocolate ganache and fresh whole strawberries. Simple and sweet. The next is Black Forest Twist, a classic black forest with layers of chocolate cake, whipped cream, cherries, and chocolate shaving. The next is Chocolate Mango Delight, smooth chocolate frosting topped with juicy mango slices, arranged like flower, bright and tropical. Look amazing. The next is Choco Berry Mix Cake, a mix of berries, blueberries, raspberries on top of dark chocolate ganache, a burst of flavor and color. It's birthday parties or even tea parties. The next is Banana Chocolate Fudge Cake, layered with chocolate fudge and fresh banana slices. Add crushed nuts for a little crunch. The next is chocolate orange zest cake. Rich chocolate topped with candies or candied orange slices and a sprinkle of zest. Classy flavor combo. Chocolate and orange. The next is chocolate fruit trend cake. A trend style cake based with filled chocolate ganache and beautiful arranged fresh fruits like a fruit painting. The next is pineapple coca cake, moist chocolate cake with pineapple rings baked inside and topped with whipped cream and cherries. The next is chocolate kiwi cake, thin kiwi slices placed in a circle on the top of smooth chocolate layer. Add coconut and flakes for a tropical touch. The next is peach chocolate layer cake. Peach slices between chocolate layers with creamy frosting and glossy ganache top. The next is chocolate grape elegance. Glossy red and green grapes topped over dark chocolate glaze, simple and eye-catching. The next is fresh fruit round cake, fit for celebration. And that's our collection of 12 inspiring chocolate fruit cakes, perfect for birthday, summer parties, or just a refreshing treat with a rich twist. Tell us in the comment which one was your favorite.